Welcome back to the range, everyone. Let's have a real boots-on-the-ground talk about the state of our union. We're all feeling the squeeze these days. Between the skyrocketing cost of fuel, groceries, and just keeping the lights on, a lot of hard-working Americans are looking at their checking accounts and thinking that a reliable sidearm is out of their tax bracket. But here's the cold, hard truth I've learned from decades on the firing line. Protecting your family isn't a luxury reserved for the wealthy. It's a fundamental, God-given right and a non-negotiable duty. For years, the phrase budget gun was basically a polite way of saying paperweight. We're talking about gritty triggers, machining marks that looked like they were made with a pocket knife, and finishes that would start rusting if the humidity hit 50%. Those days are behind us. Modern CNC machining and stiff competition have changed the landscape. I've drawn a line in the sand at the $300 mark. I've put thousands of rounds of ball and defensive hollow points downrange to see what actually works when the chips are down. Whether you need a reliable tackle box gun or a primary tool for your everyday carry, here are the top 10 handguns under $300 that you can bet your life on. Let's send it. Number 10. Ruger Wrangler. We're kicking things off with a piece of hardware that's less about tactical reloads and more about the rugged spirit of the American West. This is the Ruger Wrangler. In a market saturated with tactical black polymer, Ruger decided to give us a single-action rimfire that captures the soul of the 1870s. Think of it as the spiritual successor to the Colt single-action army, but built on a budget that actually respects the working man's wallet. Because it's a single action, you've got to manually cock that hammer for every single shot. It forces you to slow down, find your front sight post, and master your breathing. The Wrangler is built on a solid aluminum alloy frame with a Cerakote finish that'll stand up to a rainstorm much better than old-school bluing ever could. It runs .22 long rifle, which means you can spend an entire Saturday ringing steel plates for the price of a burger and fries. With that 4.62-inch barrel, the balance is just right. And thanks to the transfer bar safety, you can carry all 6 chambers loaded without worrying about a drop fire incident. Now look, loading through a gate is a slow process. This isn't your primary home defense weapon, but for teaching a youngster the ropes or perfecting your trigger squeeze, it's a masterpiece. You can usually find these between $190 and $230. That's impulse buy money for a gun your grandkids will eventually inherit. Number 9. Tisas PX9 Gen 3. Moving to number 9, we've got a striker-fired 9mm that is absolutely disrupting the duty pistol market. This is the Tisas PX9 Gen 3. Hailing from Turkey, this pistol clearly spent some time studying the SIG P320 and the Springfield XD series. But Tisas didn't just copy the homework, they improved it. You're getting a cold hammer-forged barrel and a CNC machine slide that comes optics-ready straight out of the box. That means you can mount a red dot without paying a gunsmith a dime. It feeds from 18-round magazines, giving you serious don't-mess-with-me capacity. The grip is fully modular, shipping with different side panels and back straps for 27 possible configurations. That's the kind of high-end tailoring you usually see on guns costing $600 or $700. The slide has a slick nitride finish to keep corrosion at bay, and the trigger reset is short enough to make rapid follow-up shots a breeze. The only downside? Finding a specific holster at your local shop might take some hunting, and the brand is still proving itself to the name brand snobs. But for $250 to $290, an optics-ready duty gun with this much firepower is a steal. Number 8. KelTec P17. At number 8, we have a featherweight contender that proves you don't need a heavy steel frame to be a serious tool. This is the KelTec P17. KelTec designed this to be a high-capacity trainer, not a bench rest target pistol. Fully loaded, this thing weighs less than a pound. It comes standard with a fiber optic front sight and a threaded barrel adapter. That's right, it's suppressor ready the day you buy it for those quiet backyard plinking sessions. The star of the show is the capacity. It crams 16 rounds of .22 long rifle into a flush-fit magazine. That's a mountain of lead for a rimfire this small. It's the ultimate kit gun to throw in a backpack or a truck door. Full disclosure, it's a KelTec, so it has that clamshell polymer look held together by screws. It might feel a bit like a toy to some of you steel and wood guys. And like any rimfire, it might be picky with cheap bulk box ammo until you break it in. But with an MSRP of just $199, getting a 16-round, suppressor-ready semi-auto for under $2 is a massive value play. Number 7. SAR B6. Coming in at 7, we're looking at a weapon with serious military bones. This is the SAR B6. Built by Sarsılmaz, the heavy hitters who arm the Turkish military, the B6 is a polymer-framed evolution of the legendary CZ75. The CZ design is famous because the slide rides inside the frame rails, not outside. This lowers your bore axis, meaning the recoil pushes straight back into your palm rather than flipping the muzzle up toward the sky. It's an incredibly flat shooting platform. This is a traditional double-action, single-action hammer-fired pistol. That first pull is long and deliberate, which I like for a carry gun, while every shot after that is short and crisp. It uses forged barrels and 17-round 9mm steel mags. It feels like a tank in your hand. The trade-offs? The sights are basic white dots and can be a pain to swap out. And spare mags aren't as common as Glock mags. But you can snag the B6 for around $250 to $290. That's NATO-grade quality for budget brand prices. Number 6. Ruger LCP II. At number 6, we have the refined version of the gun that basically invented the modern pocket carry movement, the Ruger LCP II. The original LCP was a game changer, but let's be honest, the trigger felt like a staple gun and the sights were non-existent. Ruger heard us loud and clear and gave us the LCP II. This is a dedicated deep concealment tool that weighs just 10 ounces. It disappears in a pocket holster or an ankle rig. It's chambered in .380 ACP and holds 6 rounds. The biggest upgrade is that single-action style trigger. It breaks clean, which is vital when you're trying to be accurate with a tiny firearm. The grip texture is aggressive enough to keep it from jumping out of your hand, and the sights are actually usable. Remember, physics is a real thing. This is a small, light gun shooting a defensive caliber, so it's going to be snappy. It's not a gun for a 400-round range day. It's a get-off-me gun. Priced between $260 and $290, it's the gold standard for the gun you carry when you can't carry a full-sized gun. Number 5. Bersa Thunder 380. Number 5 brings some classic South American style to the list. The Bersa Thunder 380. Produced in Argentina, this pistol is a clear tribute to the Walther PPK. But you don't need a 007 paycheck to own one. This gun has a massive cult following because it's an all-metal frame in a world that's gone completely plastic. The aluminum alloy frame gives it just enough heft to soak up the recoil of the 380 ACP, making it one of the softest shooters on this list. It features a fixed barrel design, which naturally helps with accuracy. It's a double-action, single-action system with a slide-mounted decocker, allowing you to safely drop the hammer on a live round. The rubberized grips are incredibly ergonomic. It is old-school tech, so it's heavier than the modern micro-compacts, and that slide safety can be a reach if you have smaller hands. But for a street price, around $280 to $300, you're getting a reliable, classy, metal-framed handgun that feels like it costs twice as much. Number 4. CZ-P10M. At number 4, we're looking at what I consider the highest level of engineering on this list. The CZ-P10M. CZ is a Czech powerhouse known for making world-class combat pistols. The M stands for micro. This is a single-stack 9mm built specifically for deep concealment. CZ stripped away every external lever. There's no slide stop or takedown lever sticking out. It's completely slick to prevent it from snagging on your clothing during a draw. It holds 7 rounds of 9mm, putting it right in the ring with the Glock 43. You're getting a cold hammer-forged barrel that'll stay accurate for tens of thousands of rounds. The trigger is a bit heavier than the standard P10 series, but that's a safety feature for a defensive carry gun without a manual safety. While 7 rounds is lower than the new super capacity micros, the build quality is elite. We've seen prices on these drop to $299 lately. Getting genuine CZ steel and engineering for under $300 is an absolute gift. Number 3. Stoeger STR9. Breaking into the top 3, we have a workhorse that shares its DNA with one of the oldest names in the business, the Stoeger STR9. Stoeger is owned by the Bersa Holding Group. Yes, that Beretta, the one that armed our military for 3 decades. They took that manufacturing know-how and applied it to a budget-friendly striker gun. The STR9 is sized almost exactly like a Glock 19. It features a rugged nitride slide and interchangeable backstraps, which is rare at this price. The trigger on this thing is a shocker in a good way. It's crisp, clean, and honestly, better than the factory triggers on many $500 guns. It ships with steel 3-dot sights and a 15-round steel magazine. The aftermarket support for holsters isn't as huge as it is for Glock, and spare mags can be a bit pricey. But you can find the base model STR9 between $250 and $290. It's a robust, reliable tool backed by the Beretta family legacy. Number 2. Taurus G3C. Number 2 is a real redemption story. The Taurus G3C. 10 years ago, I might have been skeptical about recommending a Taurus. But the company did a total 180 on their quality control, and the G-Series is the proof. The G3C is one of the top-selling handguns in the country for a reason. It hits the sweet spot. 12 rounds of 9mm in a package that's easy to hide, but big enough to actually fight with. It comes with 3 magazines in the box. In this price range, that's unheard-of value. It also uses Glock-compatible sight cuts, so you have access to the biggest aftermarket of sights on the planet. But the killer feature is the restrike capability. If you pull the trigger and the round doesn't go off, you can just pull it again to hit that primer a second time. In a high-stress situation, that can be a lifesaver. The trigger has a long take-up that takes some practice, and the finish is strictly utilitarian. But for a price between $260 and $290, the G3C is the definition of bang for your buck. Number 1. Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. And taking the top spot, the undisputed king of the budget market, the Palmetto State Armory Dagger Compact. PSA had one mission: to arm as many law-abiding Americans as humanly possible. To do that, they took the design of the Glock 19 Gen 3, the most proven handgun in history, and they made it better. The Dagger is compatible with almost all Glock 19 parts, mags, and holsters. You have the entire world of upgrades at your fingertips. But they fixed the ergonomics. The Dagger has a better grip angle, superior texture, and frame cuts to help you strip a magazine if things get messy. It comes with steel sights, not those plastic protector sights the competition uses. You're getting a duty-capable 9mm for half the cost of the big names. The trigger is a standard striker fire, maybe a little mushy, but it works every time. It ships in a simple box with 1 mag to keep costs down, but it doesn't matter. The gun runs. You can find the Dagger on sale frequently for $299, sometimes even less. For that price, a platform this versatile is simply the best deal in America, period. There you have it, folks. 10 firearms that prove you don't need to take out a second mortgage to protect your life. From the cowboy plinker to the modern duty weapon, you've got options. But remember, the gun is just a tool. It's a $300 paperweight without the software to run it. Take the money you saved and invest it in training ammo and a solid concealed carry class. A budget gun in the hands of a trained shooter will beat a $3,000 custom pistol in the hands of a novice every single time. If you found this list helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next deep dive, and drop a comment below letting me know what you're carrying these days. Stay safe out there, and keep 'em in the 10 ring.